Hey, what's up? This is a testimonial for June. What can I say? I've known her for the best part of this year. I'm really thankful to meet her. I just want to say she's genuine, helpful, and she knows her stuff. So stop wasting your time and money, save years, months and days of experience, and sign up to wherever she's offering. Okay? I've worked alongside of her, I worked with her. We still have continued work alongside each other, and it's great, you know. Just look at the results. Just you know, there you go. That's all I can say. You know, my words are never enough, so just work with her and find out for yourself. That's the best way. Okay, good luck.